Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So today we are going to be checking out some more DIY project ideas and reacting to them. Here we have someone making some type of vase. So she used a plastic bottle for this one, great upcycling, some wooden sticks. Oh, I like this. Nice, simple design. I feel like you could leave this with the wood exposed, but she did paint it black and it looks a little bit more upscale black. Very nice with the tulips. Gorgeous. And then we have someone trying to revamp some type of lampshade here. I actually would have liked to have seen this transformed with the butterfly print. I thought that was really pretty. So they spray painted the wiring black. Oh, they do still have a bit of that cutout from the previous lampshade design. And then it looks like they're using maybe like a placemat or some type of wooden piece here. Wow. Oh, that looks amazing. So they used the outline from the previous lampshade, I guess, as a measurement for this. Okay, wow, that came out really good. Very professional. Wow, that looks amazing. And then we have someone doing a DIY with some Christmas ornaments. Okay. So I thought maybe they were gonna, they have to be spray painting this. Oh, maybe they're making a Christmas decoration. Oh, that's cute. All right, so here's some more of that bamboo material or wooden material. It looks like they made, oh, is that supposed to be a table? It's a short table. Maybe they're making like a little side table. So they used what appears to be like a table tray for the top portion. Very cool. All right, so then we have a DIY with some cardboard here. Oh, are they making a vase? Oh, wow. Oh, that is so cool. I kind of like how it's like flat. I've never seen that before. With the fan and the tulips. Oh, that is cool. Okay, and then we have that infamous bread box IKEA hack. I love this one. So let's see what she ends up doing with hers. I've seen so many different versions of this particular TikTok trend. Okay, so glue them together. So she is going in and painting this. Looks like she's going with black. Oh, that's nice. I like how she left the middle part with the exposed wood color. That is so cute. Wow. Very cute design. And then we have another DIY featuring some wooden sticks. Looks like she has some beads here, a wooden soap dish. Now this looks like a beginner-friendly project, nothing too complicated here. This might be like a basket, maybe. Oh, wow. You know what I'm thinking? This could be like a cool place to put your remote or something. So here we have a table DIY. These are always my favorite to watch. I just love to see like the different designs that people come up with. So those must be the legs. We already saw the inspiration for the piece. And then she's going in and painting it. Wow. That is gorgeous. And I love the fact that she can just be like, oh yes, I made that. That is so cool. Very inspiring. Alright, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out these DIY projects with me today and you were able to get some type of inspiration to create and do your own. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.